pull out. Next, remove 2 screws on the plastic assembly that covers the wires above the ice chute assembly. There's 4 lock nuts. There's washers behind each lock nut. Once all 4 are off, the ice gate assembly will come off. That's the sensor. Unplug the sensor. Next, you will remove the hoses for opening and closing the ice gate. The pink is in the front. It's a John Guest fitting. Push in, pull back on the line to remove. Same with the one in the back. Push in on the Guest fitting, pull the line to remove. Now you can repair or replace the whole assembly.